25th letter of Urdu alphabet is Ghain. Ghain. It sounds as R in French words journal, jour, riche, etc. It requires a lot of practice, and there is no letter in English to represent this sound. Ghain, it is a glottal sound, and it is produced at the back of the throat. Ghain. When you gargle, that sound, ghain. Ghain, in the middle of, in the beginning of the word, it is written like this, ghain, and the letters coming after ghain are joined here. In the middle of the word, ghain is written like this. First letter is joined here, and the next letter is joined here. And in the end of the word, ghain is written like this. First word is joined here, and this is the final shape of ghain. So now let's see some words having this letter. Ghar, for example, ghar, ghain alif re, ghar. When joined together, it is written ghar, ghain alif gha, because alif is a non-connecting letter, so re is written separately. Ghar. Ghar means cave. Ghar. Bagh, be alif ba, and ghain bagh. Bagh. Bagh means garden. Bagh means garden. 26th letter of Urdu alphabet is Fe. Fe. It is pronounced like F in fat. Its sound is similar to F in English. Fe. In the beginning of a word, Fe is written like this, and in the middle, Fe is written like this, and in the end, Fe is written like this. Fe. Now let's see some words. Fe, Sin, Alif, Dal. Fe zabar fa, Sin, Alif, Sa, and Da, Dal. Fasaad. Fasaad is written like this. Fasaad. Fasaad means rat. Fasaad means rat. Khafa. Khe zabar kha, Fe alif fa, khafa. Khafa is written like this. Khafa. Khafa means angry. Saf. Sad zabar sa and Fe, saf. It is written like this. Saf means line or row. Saf. The 27th letter of Urdu alphabet is qaaf. It sounds like when you try to pronounce ka at the back of the throat, then the sound is qa. qa. Qaaf is written in the beginning of the word like this, and in the middle of the word qaaf is like this, and at the end of the word qaaf is like this. Now let's see some words having the letter qaaf. Qari, qaaf alif qa, re ye ri, qari, qari, qari. Qari means reader. Qari means reader. Te zabar ta, qaaf zabar qa, re pesh ru, and there is tashdeed over re, so ra sound will be produced twice. So taqarru and re. Rur, taqarrur, 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 taqarrur. Taqarrur is written like this. Taqarrur, taqarrur. Taqarrur means appointment. Taqarrur means appointment. Sabiq, sin alif sa, bezer b, and qaaf. Sabiq. Sabiq means farmer. Farmer. Sabiq means farmer. Farmer. Sabiq.